Little storyteller.
A little sunbeam, Sunny, peeked through the clouds. "Ooh, look," Sunny whispered. Below, a pond shimmered like a giant mirror. "I want to play there." Sunny zipped down and danced on the water. The pond sparkled even more. Sunny giggled, feeling happy and warm. Suddenly Sunny heard a tiny peep peep. Under a big green tree, a little yellow chick shivered. Its feathers looked like soft fluff. "Oh, the poor chick is cold," Sunny thought. It was hard to leave the shiny pond, but Sunny floated over to the chick. Sunny gently warmed the little chick. The chick stopped shivering and cheeped happily. Its tiny beak opened as if it was smiling. Sunny felt a warm glow inside, even brighter than shining on the pond. Then Sunny saw a little flower. Its petals were droopy and its green stem looked weak. It needs sunshine to grow big and strong, Sunny thought. Sunny moved closer and bathed the flower in warm light. Slowly the flower lifted its head. Its petals unfolded, showing off their bright pink color. A happy bee buzzed over and landed on a petal. Sunny felt so happy watching the chick chirp and the flower bloom. More sunbeams joined Sunny. Together they warmed many chicks and helped lots of flowers grow. Sunny learned that being a sunbeam was not just about playing on shiny ponds, it was about helping others. And that felt like the best job of all. Remember, even a little bit of warmth can make a big difference to someone else.
Please subscribe. Thank you.